trying. Aww.
Sophie and the puppy. See, Sophie's doing the puppy scene.
He's with him.
Oh. Yeah. Sophie's licking it. Nice. Yes, the new puppy went potty. Maybe we should have took him outside.
I asked them if anybody had to go potty, but they just started chasing each other around.
Well, I don't think they know what it means. And that's
She
a good...
does.
Well, we know he doesn't hike his leg now.
Well, he's still a puppy. There we go.
Yeah, you need to do it again. I can still see it.
I'm working on it. I gotta figure it out.
This is Brett and Jade's present. Oh. Hey, you're blocking my shot. Oh, man, that was a wide angle.
Hey! Leave it alone. Sophie, let him get some water.